Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on language and input, and here let's tap on language and region. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of all previously applied languages. So we've got English. So let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the list of defaultly installed languages from which we can choose. Some of them you will have to update. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick Dutch, for example. Let's tap on it, and here your device will ask you if you really want to change this language. So let's tap on change. And as you can see, the Netherlands, so the Dutch language, immediately appears at the very top of the list. And thanks to this, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you'd like to change it again to English or any other language you had, and you've got it on this list, then tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position, because always the language on the first position will be applied. And as you can see, the English has been set. If you'd like to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the language and tap on remove again. Tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.